Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new here. My name is Danielle and today we're going to make 3 Dollar Tree gift baskets that I think you'll love or the persons receiving them will love. So starting off with the first basket, I have this utility like basket and it's a lot different than the bigger ones that you see. It's lighter in weight and smaller in size, so I thought it'd be perfect for maybe a back to school gift or a first day of school gift or something along those lines. But I'm just adding in some pink shreds. It didn't take the entire bag. I'm also going to stick in this She Is Fierce notebook, just a plain notebook. This is a really cute peach pencil pack and I thought it was so cute, but they also have tons of things that match this at the Dollar Tree, so you could always match your items to that if you wanted to. I just didn't want to go over with the peaches or the avocados or anything like that. So these pencils are next, which I thought were incredibly cute, and there's a bunch of different ones. These pearl crayons, which I also thought were very different and unique and just fun. They had a ton of options of those. And I'm also putting in this keychain, which can go on a backpack. It can also help with some sensory if your child gets overwhelmed easily in crowds. And this headband. I do end up taking the keychain out of its packaging just because it ended up looking a lot better and you could see it better. And I'm finishing it off with these 2 hair clips. Be gentle with these because I realized after the fact that they do break very easily. So I would recommend possibly using something else or maybe a more heavy duty clip if you end up doing that. Our next basket is a dinosaur themed basket. Of course, it could be for a girl or a boy, whichever you prefer. So I'm starting out with this orange paper organizer. I thought it'd be fun to do this kind of as a different type of thing from what I normally would do. Adding in the reddish orange shreds and this really nice dinosaur with the teal dinosaurs on it, just a 3-ring binder. And then this really cute dinosaur pencil holder, which I actually really like and I may end up using that myself. The next thing I'm adding in here is this little back to school pencil holder, scissors, glue. It just holds all of that school supplies and it keeps it organized and in one spot. And this drink holder, which also can hold snacks on the very bottom, it unscrews and you can put snacks in there. And then this really cute dinosaur eraser, and to make it look even cuter I ended up taking it out of the packaging, and that completes this basket. And for our final and last basket or gift idea, I am starting off with this cardboard gift box. I know that I do a lot with Dollar Tree baskets, so I kind of wanted to mix it up a little bit this time. So I'm just doing the box and I put the lid on the back of it to make it really cute looking. I added in these pink shreds and this traditional strawberry Pillsbury cake mix. You can add in any flavor, of course, but I thought the strawberry would be really cute. Also, these rainbow sprinkles. They're in pastel, but they had other options if you didn't want to add in that. They also had these tubes of frosting, which I thought were so cool because I hadn't seen them at the Dollar Tree before. So I mainly wanted to make this basket because of those. And then this icing gel, which I also thought was fun, and it's in the color pink. With the frosting and the gel, they had other options. So if you didn't want to do those, you could do, of course, something else. But that completes this basket and this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thanks.